What's going on, family? It's your man DeAndre Saxon back for another video. And in this topic, we're going to be talking about the secret Instagram method that affiliate marketers could use to begin earning $350 a day or more. I'm going to be showing you the traffic method that I've been using, how cheap it is. I'm talking about, I have an account now with only a couple hundred followers, but yet I'm still gaining 20 followers plus per day, driving traffic and earning 300, 500, and up to $1,000 per day with a brand new Instagram account. No cap. This is real stuff right here. So without further ado, let's hop into the proof. All right, so let's talk about this. What exactly are we talking about here? We're talking about an Instagram growth tool that I have been using. It has produced over $10,000 in cash flow for me just last week alone. And so what I decided to do was create a brand new Instagram account to show you guys that a beginner, somebody who has no social media following, somebody who's just getting started could also have the same results as well. So what we're looking at is a brand new Instagram account that I literally created like maybe less than a month ago. Let's look at this date, December 12th. Today's January 9th, so not even a month ago. And you can see that I have 279 followers. Every single one of these followers has come from the Instagram method that I'm going to show you right now. So you might be thinking, okay, that's good followers. By the way, if you have over 10K followers, 5K followers, just 10X this. Trust me, like this is another level. This is just for people getting started brand new, just to show them proof that anybody can do it. Let's look at some notifications here. Look at this. Boom. Look at these followers, comments, likes, real engagement. Look at this. Real accounts, real people coming in here, liking. Look at this. Look at yesterday. Real accounts, real results, real method that anybody can get started with. So if you're looking for traffic in affiliate marketing, you're looking to get to the next level, this is what I've been doing to produce $300 a day to $500 a day worth of traffic for my affiliate marketing products. Now, as you guys can probably assume by watching this video, what is the actual affiliate marketing software that I use to go ahead and build my business? And that is this Instagram growth software. So I talk a lot about software affiliate marketing here on this channel. So let's actually take a look at this actual Instagram software and see how I'm using this software. And for such a cheap price, for literally just a couple of dollars a day, I'm driving over 10,000 profile visits to my Instagram account, a brand new Instagram account, and it's producing sales for me in my affiliate marketing business. So this growth tool, basically what it does is it helps drive traffic by using Instagram stories, okay? So this is the back end of the software here. I'll be showing you guys how many followers I'm getting, the amount of traffic that I'm getting, the engagement in a second. But before that, what this base software basically does is using my account, watches the story of over 10,000 people per day. Now, this software has been running for 5 years. Over 1,000 people have used this software, currently on this software. So it's a safe software. It's automation. It's been running, so no accounts ever flagged, no accounts ever deactivated, deleted, any of that sort. But what this software does is watches people's stories, and a percentage of those people get curious. They're like, okay, who is this person that who just watched my story? And if your profile is built out correctly, if you have a blue check mark, it's not necessary, but if you have it, it helps. If a person clicks their profile and if it's built out nice, you have nice pictures, nice content, whether it's your face content or information content, a theme page, whatever it is, you got to have decent content because these are real people following you. So they'll follow you if you have good content. So this tool, as you see on the lower end, I'm going to show you that a brand new account with less than 300 followers is still gaining at least 15 to 20 real followers a day. And then I have other people who are getting 50, 100, 200 followers a day. So what I'm looking at right now is the back end. So what I do with this Instagram growth tool and how I'm actually driving this much traffic and it's producing hundreds of dollars of sales for me in my particular affiliate marketing business is I need traffic. That's the first step. Once you find a product, you know exactly what you're going to be selling in affiliate marketing, whether it's software affiliate marketing, whether it's ClickBank or whatever you're going to decide to do. You decided what you're going to sell. You need traffic. Well, most people they teach create content, which is great, running ads, which is great, creating blogs, which is great. But I want to speed this up. And that's why I use this Instagram growth software. And it's funny because now I use it as my affiliate marketing product that I promote. So what I'm doing is I want to target the right people to come to my profile. That's one of the most important things when driving traffic is you need to have high quality traffic. So let's check this out. So what I'm able to do is I'm able to do research to see, okay, where are my dream followers at? Whose accounts are they following? So let's just say you're in the affiliate marketing niche and you're talking to fitness, you're promoting a fitness product. Well, you'd probably want to go find fitness influencers because they're in that space. So what you can do is find those influencers and literally put them into the targeting section of this software. And I'll show you how easy it is. You just come into here, you press on settings, and just in a couple of seconds, you can put in your targeting. You could target hashtags, you could target followers, the real page. There's AI features in here. You can target hashtag places. All you do is search whichever hashtag, or sorry, whichever Instagram account that you want to target. And what this software will do is, using your account, go and watch the stories of these accounts. So what you're doing is the followers of these accounts will go and follow your account. Okay. So you can target, the actions that you can do, you can watch stories, like stories, polls, basically all types of Instagram stories. There's different types of parameters when you can shut it on, turn it off, so it's more human-like, and basically source track it. It's very simple. I just put a random times for it to turn on, shut off. All I do is like stories, view stories. I put the targeting of the people that I want, and that's basically it. Once I do that targeting research, which does take maybe about 15, 20 minutes, once you understand which niche you're targeting, you put in the targeting, you turn on the tool, and that's it. And then I let it sit. I haven't touched this in almost a month. Or sorry, well, actually, this is for another account. So this account, like I said, it's about coming up on a month here. I haven't touched this targeting. Because it's software, because it's automation, once you do that initial work, that is basically it. So I let it sit here, and you can see that in this time, I've gained 275 followers in that time. So let's look at some of the stats here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sort by followers. So you can see that with this particular account, I gained 41 followers, 133 likes. This account, 19 followers, 57 likes, so on and so forth. So if it's almost like Facebook ads, if you guys are familiar with Facebook ads, you can see the targeting, how the niche is doing, how each one's doing. So you can see like this one down here, I only got one follower from this account. So if I decide to take this off and put all the 10,000 visits on these accounts, so basically you could optimize this traffic. And so let's look at the amount of traffic that I'm generating. So what I'm looking at right now is today's date. The date's at the top. You see 8/1/2024, which is yesterday. And I'm going to look at the second from the bottom little notification there where it says new followers. So you can see on a brand new account with less than 300 followers, guys, like that's nothing. I got 19 followers, 19 real followers from this tool. And that's just the followers. That doesn't include all the traffic of the people who didn't follow me or DM'd me or click the link in my bio and went over to my landing page where they can click the link, learn more about this YouTube channel. You may have even came from the software, click the link in my bio, came to my YouTube channel. You're watching this video right now. So even today alone, today is the 9th. Guys, look, 20 followers today, 19 yesterday, 16 the day before that, so on and so forth. So you can see that with a brand new account, I'm getting a lot of traffic. Now, obviously, if like you say, let's just say you already have 5,000, 10,000 followers, you have a blue check mark. Let's just say you're a model, you're a girl, you're attractive, you're an artist, you have nice content. That's going to be bumped up even more. A lot of my clients and affiliates that are using my software are hitting 100, 200. Some of the model girls are hitting 200, 300 followers per day. Now, there's no guarantee because, like I said, these are real people. All we guarantee is the traffic, the 10,000 profile visits, the 10,000 actions per day. But out of that, like how many people are going to follow you, that's up to the quality of the Instagram account. But I just wanted to show you that it doesn't matter if you have no followers on Instagram. Every single follower out of that 270 that you saw on this new account came from this software this month alone. So that's a lot of traffic that has come to that page, which has generated me DMs, which actually, let me go ahead and show that to you really quickly. So we can come in here and these are all DMs that are coming in from the tool. So like we come in here and people are saying, hey, free trial, please. And obviously, if you're in affiliate marketing, this is the affiliate marketing software that I'm promoting, but you can use this tool to promote your own software and all that kind of stuff. But this is just what works for me. You can see that I'm getting real DMs coming in. You can see SaaS, that's my keyword. I have people DM me to get access to the software or join my affiliate program. But yeah, look at this, guys. This is real people, real things coming in every single day. You can see that this with only 300 followers is producing traffic for me. No cap. Real generation is generated over $10,000 for me just last week alone. So guys, this is how I generate traffic and a method that you can get started with in affiliate marketing. If you're looking for traffic, you're trying to scale your affiliate marketing business, you don't want to run content, you don't want to run ads. And for this software, it comes with a free 5-day trial. You can find that in the link in the description below. If you want to start your own affiliate marketing business, then that's also in the link to the description below. But try the software out. Get a 5-day trial, hook it up, and then start promoting your products and services in affiliate marketing on your Instagram account using some of the methods that I teach here on my YouTube channel. So check out some of those old, some of the videos on my channel so you can see how I teach you literally for free how to connect your Instagram account, make it look nice so that you can get affiliate marketing sales for your business. And one of the best products that I use is this actual Instagram growth software. It's a 2-pack punch. I use the software to drive traffic to sell the software for my affiliate marketing business. It's an amazing opportunity. The cash flows and commissions is absolutely ridiculous. I get paid every single month for it. So if this is something that's interesting to you, go ahead and click the links in the description below. 5-day trial, start your own affiliate marketing business is all in it for you. Thank you guys for checking out my video. I'll see you in the next one.